A train coming. You don't need no baggage, just get on board. All need is faith to hear the desert's humming. You don't need no ticket, you just thank the Lord. There's a train in Jordan picking out passengers from coast to coast. Faith is the key, open the doors and body. There's room for all the love and the hopeless sinners who would hurt all mankind just to save his own. Have pity on those whose chances grow thinner, 'cause there's no hiding place from the kingdom's throne. Oh, so people get ready. There's a train to Jordan. You don't need no baggage, it's just a get on board. Oh, people get ready. There's a train to Jordan. You don't need no ticket, it's just a thank the Lord. I'm getting the hope